All right, guys, it's Andy. I'm behind the camera at the moment. I'm just going to give you a quick and dirty intro. We have this rock maple, so I just wanted to point something out to you guys before I get started on the mill. Whenever people have a smaller log like this, so 18 inches for us is pretty much the smallest log that we want to cut on the mill. And you're a homeowner who may not have access to a lot of logs. So these logs are very important to you. The temptation is to say, yes, I want to take out the 2-inch slab right through the middle here to get the widest slab I can. And then you have the sawyer cut it, you put it up, you sticker it, you dry it, and it cracks right through the middle of the slab and is totally unusable. So don't make that mistake if you're a homeowner. Make an effort to tell the sawyer not to use the pith wood. That's the juvenile wood, which is absolute garbage. And what happens is the juvenile wood will stress out the wood around it as it shrinks at a different rate than the good wood through this thick ring of the log, and it'll destroy the slab. We're going to cut along the pith here. We're going to cut a 5/4 above it, a 5/4 below it. Just cut the pith out of those boards, as well as debark them when we edge them. So we'll have good quarter sawn wood here, good quarter sawn wood here, good quarter sawn wood here, good quarter sawn wood here. And then what we'll do is we'll put those 2-inch thick, they're actually 2.5, they're 10/4 slabs above and below those, so they're in clear good wood. And then we'll cut 5/4 above that until the clear face gets too small, and then we toss away the wane. So I'll see you right back on the saw and we'll get started. I just want to take you guys on a ride and see just how gorgeous this log is. It's absolutely unbelievable. Just a tiny bit of rot on this end, but nothing that can't be stabilized with epoxy. It's just unbelievable. Alright. As Dave would say, back where you belong.